by the science guy.
Newton's first law of motion says that an object at rest must stay at rest and an object in motion must stay in motion. To demonstrate this, there is an object at rest and it will stay at rest.
When an object is in a state of equilibrium, the object is balanced. This means that there's an equal magnitude of force in opposite direction placed on the object, and the resultant of the force is called a net force and will always be zero. This proves the first law of motion. Another example of an object in a state of equilibrium is when an object is in constant motion. There's no friction placed on this object. This is what makes it go in a straight path.
This is another example of Newton's first law because when the skateboard is being pushed, the weight wants to stay in motion, so it flies forward.
In the second experiment with the skateboard, we added more weights and pushed the skateboard each time we added. The reason why the skateboard decelerated and proves Newton's second law of motion is because of the friction of the rug placed on the skateboard. The two things that influence sliding friction, which we witnessed, was a type of surface, the rug, that wasn't a smooth surface. It was very rugged. And how hard the surfaces are pressed together. Each time we add more weight, the force of gravity presses down harder each time, so the friction is stronger. And you can use the equation kinetic force equals mu times force.
This is Newton's second law, and that states that a net force will cause a mass to accelerate or decelerate. So we're going to push the skateboard with no weight on it first and see how far it goes. Now we're adding 5 pounds. Now there's 10 pounds.